Let's dive into division. Hey Math Explorers, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 502 by 2. We'll begin with the first digit, which is 5. We bring down the 5 to start our work. How many times does 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4. Write down 4 under the 5. Now we subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. This is our remainder for this step. Awesome job, you're doing great. We have a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next digit. Now we have 1, and we bring down the next digit 0, making it 10. We look at the 1 and bring down the 0 next to it, creating the number 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? It goes in 5 times. Time to multiply. 5 times 2 equals 10. Let's write 10 below the 10. Subtracting 10 from 10 gives us 0. Perfect. You're on a roll. Keep up the fantastic work. We've got no remainder this time. Let's bring down the last digit. Last step, we have a remainder of 0, and we bring down the final digit 2. We bring down the 2, and now we have the number 2 to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 2? Exactly 1 time. Let's multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. Write 2 under the 2. Subtract 2 from 2 and we get 0. We're all done. You did it. That's the end of our division adventure. And that's it. We've successfully divided 502 by 2. You're a division whiz. We found that 502 divided by 2 is 251. Great job, everyone. We tackled 502 divided by 2 step by step, learning how to divide, multiply, and subtract. Remember, every division problem is a chance to practice your skills and become a math superstar. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.